The hum of unseen machinery, the rhythmic pulse of an industrial heartland, often goes unnoticed, yet it orchestrates a silent ballet behind the scenes of our daily lives. We consume, we enjoy, rarely pausing to consider the intricate journey from raw material to finished product. But what if we told you that within the walls of a seemingly ordinary factory, a revolution in food production is unfolding, transforming simple ingredients into a global phenomenon? This isn't just about making food. It's about precision, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of perfection on an unimaginable scale. Imagine stepping through a portal, leaving behind the familiar world of grocery aisles and dinner tables, and entering a realm where science meets culinary art, where engineering prowess shapes every bite. This is a place where the familiar comfort of a chicken nugget is born, not from a rustic kitchen, but from a symphony of advanced technology and human ingenuity. It's a world meticulously controlled, from temperature and humidity to the very air you breathe, all designed to ensure consistency, safety, and an unparalleled product. For decades, the chicken nugget has been a staple, a quick meal, a beloved snack. But the story of its creation is far more complex, more fascinating than most could ever imagine. It's a narrative woven with threads of history, scientific discovery, and the relentless drive to feed a growing planet. We are about to pull back the curtain to reveal the hidden mechanisms, the ingenious solutions, and the surprising secrets that lie within. Prepare to witness the transformation, to understand the true scale of modern food manufacturing, and to discover the meticulous process that brings this ubiquitous item to your plate. This journey will challenge your perceptions and leave you with a newfound appreciation for the hidden world behind everyday products. The journey of the chicken nugget is far more storied and complex than its humble appearance suggests. While often associated with fast food, its origins are rooted in a quest for efficiency and innovation in the mid-20th century. The concept of a chicken stick or chicken crisp was first patented in the 1960s by Robert C. Baker at Cornell University, a food science professor who sought to make chicken more accessible and convenient. His breakthrough involved a method to bind ground chicken meat without a skin or breading, allowing it to be formed and frozen without falling apart. This was a game changer for the poultry industry, which at the time struggled with how to utilize less desirable cuts of chicken meat. Baker's innovation essentially paved the way for the modern nugget, transforming what was once a challenge into a highly profitable product. Consider the sheer global scale of this seemingly simple food item. Billions of chicken nuggets are consumed annually across continents, making it one of the most recognized and widely available processed foods on the planet. This widespread adoption isn't just a testament to its taste or convenience, but also to the incredible logistical and manufacturing prowess required to produce it consistently and affordably for such a massive market. The uniformity of taste and texture, whether you're in Tokyo, London, or New York, is a marvel of industrial standardization. But what exactly goes into that distinctive texture and flavor? It's a common misconception that nuggets are merely mystery meat. In reality, modern nuggets are typically made from boneless, skinless chicken breast and rib meat, often finely ground or minced. The binding agents, often a blend of starches, seasonings, and sometimes even a small amount of chicken skin for flavor and moisture, are crucial. These ingredients are meticulously measured and mixed to achieve the desired consistency before forming. The science behind this binding is critical. It ensures the nugget holds its shape during processing, cooking, and freezing, and contributes to that satisfying bite. Did you know that the iconic shapes of chicken nuggets, the bell, the boot, the bone, and the ball, were not chosen arbitrarily? These specific forms were developed not just for aesthetic appeal, but for practical reasons. They allow for more even cooking, better heat distribution, and efficient packaging. The consistent sizing also ensures that each nugget cooks at roughly the same rate, a vital factor in high-volume production. This seemingly minor detail is a testament to the deep level of engineering thought applied to every aspect of the product. The evolution of the breading is another fascinating chapter. Early nuggets might have had simpler coatings, but today's breading is a complex, multi-layered system designed for optimal crispness, flavor, and adhesion. It often involves a pre-dust layer, which helps the subsequent batter adhere, followed by a liquid batter, and then a final breadcrumb coating. The type of breadcrumb, panko, traditional, or seasoned, significantly impacts the final texture and crunch. Some factories even employ specialized breading machines that tumble the nuggets through multiple stages, ensuring every surface is perfectly coated. Beyond the ingredients and shapes, the cooking process itself is a marvel of controlled environment technology. Nuggets are typically pre-fried in vegetable oil, often canola or sunflower, at precise temperatures for a very short duration. This initial frying step is not to fully cook the product, but rather to set the breading, develop color, and create that initial crispness. It also helps to lock in moisture. The pre-fried nuggets are then rapidly frozen, a process that must be incredibly fast to prevent the formation of large ice crystals, which can damage the texture and quality of the meat. This flash freezing ensures that when you finally cook them at home, they retain their original integrity and taste. The sheer volume of chicken processed in these facilities is staggering. A single large factory can process hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of pounds of chicken daily. This requires an incredibly sophisticated supply chain, from farms to processing plants, all operating with tight schedules and stringent quality controls. The logistics of sourcing, transporting, and storing such vast quantities of perishable raw material without compromising freshness or safety is an engineering feat in itself. Modern innovations continue to push the boundaries. We are seeing the rise of plant-based nuggets, utilizing pea protein, soy, or other vegetable sources to mimic the texture and taste of their chicken counterparts. This trend reflects a growing consumer demand for alternative proteins and sustainable food options. The manufacturing processes for these plant-based versions often mirror those of traditional nuggets, demonstrating the adaptability of the existing factory infrastructure. Furthermore, advancements in food safety technology, such as advanced pathogen detection systems and sophisticated cleaning protocols, are constantly being integrated to ensure the highest standards of hygiene and product integrity. Consider the energy efficiency and waste reduction efforts within these factories. Modern facilities are designed to minimize their environmental footprint. This includes optimizing water usage, recycling byproducts, and implementing energy-efficient machinery. For instance, heat recovery systems might capture waste heat from cooking processes to preheat water or other factory components, significantly reducing energy consumption. The goal is not just to produce food, but to do so responsibly and sustainably, a challenge that requires continuous innovation and investment. The evolution of packaging is another unsung hero in the nugget story. From simple plastic bags to resealable pouches and even microwave-safe trays, packaging technology has advanced to preserve freshness, extend shelf life, and enhance consumer convenience. Modified atmosphere packaging, MAP, might be used to control the gas composition inside the package, further inhibiting spoilage. The design of these packages also considers logistics, ensuring they are stackable, durable, and efficient for transportation across vast distances. Every detail, from the material science of the film to the graphic design on the box, plays a role in the product's journey to your home. The chicken nugget, often taken for granted, is in fact a testament to human ingenuity, scientific precision, and industrial scale. It embodies a complex interplay of history, engineering, and culinary science, a product constantly evolving to meet the demands of a changing world. The next time you enjoy one, perhaps you'll appreciate the hidden world of innovation that brought it to your plate. The journey begins long before the chicken arrives at the factory gates. Raw materials, primarily boneless, skinless chicken breast and thigh meat, are sourced from approved poultry farms and processing plants. These suppliers adhere to strict quality and safety standards, ensuring the chicken is healthy and properly handled from the outset. Upon arrival at the factory, the chicken is immediately inspected. Trucks carrying the chilled or frozen meat are weighed, and samples are taken for microbiological testing to confirm absence of pathogens and adherence to quality specifications. The meat is then moved into temperature-controlled receiving areas, typically maintained at near freezing temperatures to preserve freshness and inhibit bacterial growth. The first major step in the factory is the grinding and mixing stage. Large industrial grinders process the chicken meat, often reducing it to a fine mince. This process is critical for achieving the desired texture and consistency of the final nugget. Simultaneously, a precise blend of ingredients, including starches, like corn or potato starch for binding, seasonings, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, etc., and sometimes a small amount of water or chicken broth for moisture, is prepared. These ingredients are carefully weighed according to proprietary recipes. The ground chicken and the dry ingredient blend are then transferred to massive industrial mixers. These mixers, often vacuum sealed to prevent air incorporation and maintain product integrity, thoroughly combine all components, creating a homogeneous mixture. The mixing process is precisely timed and controlled to ensure even distribution of ingredients and optimal protein extraction, which aids in binding. Following mixing, the chicken mixture moves to the forming stage. This is where the iconic nugget shapes are created. High-speed forming machines, often utilizing hydraulic presses and custom dies, extrude the mixture into the desired shapes: bells, boots, balls, or bones. These machines operate with incredible precision and speed, capable of forming thousands of nuggets per minute. The formed nuggets are then transported via conveyor belts to the next stage. The next critical step is the breading process. This is typically a multi-stage operation designed to create that signature crispy exterior. First, the nuggets pass through a pre-dust applicator, which coats them with a fine layer of seasoned flour or starch. This pre-dust acts as a bridge, helping the subsequent wet batter adhere effectively. Immediately after, the nuggets enter a batter applicator, where they are fully submerged or showered with a liquid batter mixture. This batter provides the base for the final breading. Finally, the battered nuggets move into a breading drum or belt, where they are coated with breadcrumbs, often panko for extra crispness, or traditional seasoned crumbs. The breading machines ensure complete and even coverage, critical for consistent cooking and texture. Once breaded, the nuggets proceed to the pre-frying stage. They travel through large industrial fryers filled with heated vegetable oil, typically canola or sunflower oil. This frying is brief, lasting only a minute or two, and is primarily designed to set the breading, develop a golden color, and partially cook the exterior. The internal temperature of the nugget remains relatively low at this point. The oil temperature and conveyor speed are meticulously controlled to ensure consistent results and prevent overfrying. After pre-frying, excess oil is drained, and the nuggets are quickly cooled to prepare them for freezing. Rapid freezing is paramount to maintaining the quality and texture of the nuggets. They are transported through cryogenic freezers or impingement freezers, which use extremely cold air or liquid nitrogen to freeze the product very quickly. This flash freezing process minimizes the formation of large ice crystals, which can damage the cellular structure of the meat and lead to a less desirable texture upon thawing and final cooking. The nuggets emerge from the freezer as individually quick frozen (IQF) pieces. Throughout the entire manufacturing sequence, stringent quality control measures are in place. Automated vision systems inspect nuggets for correct shape, size, and breading coverage. Metal detectors are positioned at multiple points, especially after forming and before packaging, to ensure no foreign objects are present. Regular microbiological testing is conducted on raw materials, in process samples, and finished products. Temperature monitoring is continuous at every stage, from raw material storage to freezing. Human quality assurance technicians also conduct visual inspections and sensory evaluations, taste, texture, aroma, to ensure the product meets all specifications. Finally, the IQF nuggets are conveyed to the packaging area. Automated weighing and bagging machines precisely measure the correct quantity of nuggets and seal them into bags or boxes. These machines are highly efficient, often incorporating modified atmosphere packaging, MAP, technology to extend shelf life by flushing the package with a specific gas mixture. The packaged products are then moved to cold storage warehouses, awaiting distribution. Logistics teams coordinate the shipment of these frozen products in refrigerated trucks to distribution centers and retailers worldwide, ensuring the cold chain is maintained from factory to consumer. Safety protocols, including strict hygiene practices, personal protective equipment, and regular equipment sanitation, are enforced at every step to guarantee a safe and high-quality product. As we pull back from the intricate dance of machinery and the precise science that brings the chicken nugget to life, it's clear that what seems like a simple snack is, in fact, a marvel of modern engineering and culinary innovation. From the meticulous sourcing of raw materials to the lightning-fast freezing that locks in freshness, every step is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of perfection. But the world of food manufacturing is vast and full of even more astonishing transformations. If you found the journey of the chicken nugget captivating, imagine uncovering the secrets behind another everyday staple. How do they get the perfect crunch in your favorite potato chips, or the consistent fizz in your soda? What hidden technologies are at play in the production of something as seemingly simple as pasta, or as complex as a multi-layered chocolate bar? We've only scratched the surface of the incredible processes that shape our food landscape. There's a whole universe of industrial magic waiting to be explored. To continue your journey into the heart of modern manufacturing, make sure you don't miss our next episode, which just appeared on your screen. It promises to reveal even more mind-blowing insights into the products you love. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an exclusive look behind the scenes of the world's most fascinating factories. And tell us in the comments below, what was the most surprising fact you learned about chicken nugget production today? Was it the specific shapes, the multi-layered breading, or the flash freezing process? We love hearing your thoughts.